What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we gonna do today, we gonna cover Tuesday's game plan. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this weekend and that extra day out of the market, but you already know what time it is. It's time for us to get back after it. A lot of stuff going on today. You got new administration taking over, so I'm anxious to see what the stocks, what it makes the market do. But guys, you already know we'll pay attention to the setups. We'll watch and see what Wall Street try to do, what the games they try to throw at us, and we will maneuver around it, and we will still continue to knock these plays out of the ballpark. So for a couple of different tickers that you guys to pay attention to for tomorrow, and once we start seeing these setups, we already know what to do. So newbies, beginners, where y'all at? Y'all come on up. First ticker up is going to be Palantir. But before we jump into it, guys, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get that notification. So guys, let's go ahead and get into it. They're sitting at 71.80. And guys, as these plays take off or either drop tomorrow, we will update before the market open up. That way you have a clear game plan of what you want to do in these plays, whether you following them up or following them back down. So if you are a bull, you want to see this middle in here, you want to see them open up somewhere around $72. If they can do that, next level up, they're going to try to break that 72.35 before they start trying to run to the higher stuff. If you are a bear, you want to see them open somewhere right in here at 71.50. If they can do that, next level down, they're going to start coming down to 71 even. Next level down is going to be this stuff in here, 70.65. Next level down here, 70.15, en route to trying to get back to this low at 69.20 before they start pulling back. So that's if we start getting some downward pressure. In this game right here, you always got to expect the opposite. You know, when the inauguration went down, stocks went crazy. So everybody's mind right now, they're going to boom, they're going to pop, very well. They may pop, but you got to expect the unexpected. You got to expect Wall Street to try to throw that curveball in there to try to take your money. But regardless what they try to do, we going to be at it. So there you go for Palantir. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol TSLL. They're sitting at 29.90. If you are a bull, you want to see them open right in here around 30.33. They can open around that area right there. The next level up is going to be this stuff in here at 31 even. And then you want to see them take out these tops right here at 31.70. Keep an eye on this one, because if this one gets some excitement, and ain't no telling what Elon gonna say tomorrow, but this one will follow Tesla, and if Tesla is booming, this one will as well. So there you go to the upside. If they start breaking through this level, I want to see them open actually higher than 31.70. If they can hold that level right there, it's going to be a fun day. On the downside, you want to see them open lower than 29 bucks. If they can do that, they're going to start pulling this thing back down, 28.45. Next level down is going to be this stuff right here at 27.50. It's going to be a bad day if they start breaking that level to the downside. Next ticker up, I think this one deserves an honorable mention, because this one may spike like crazy too. So you got to expect the unknown with these tickers tomorrow. You never know what's going to happen. All we can do is pay attention to the technicals, spot and identify proper setups, set that stop loss, and let nature take its course. So they're sitting at 40 even. If you are a bull in this one right here, you would like to see them open through this stuff right here at 41 bucks. They can open past 41 bucks and they can get some speed. You got this turbulence in here at 41.60. They break through that. Boom, you got 42.20, break through that, boom, they come into 43.50, and then it's off to the races. You want to see this level at 44.40 break. They break through that right there, they're going to start riding. You got 45.73 on deck and higher. We'll handle this one. I'll make sure I have my eye on this one tomorrow, and if they start breaking through those levels, we will handle in real time, and we'll update in real time. To the downside, what you want to see is these bottoms right here get taken out, 39.55. They can start losing that. Next level down is going to be this stuff right here, 38.90. Next level down is this stuff down here at 38.10. So there you go with that one right there. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? First one on deck for you guys is going to be the SPY. And as you see with the SPY, they closed at 597.55. But if you go to futures, SPY, they're running up right now. So they came all the way down to my area of interest down here and boom, this thing all the way up. I was able to get another futures account funded today. So I was done before this further drop. I caught it up here, was able to ride it down here, and then they popped it up here. I was out of that play before that happened. I wish I was in another one. That way I could have wrote that play back up and got another one funded. There you go. But shout out Money Spence. I see that you got busy this morning. So proud of you, able to make some money in the futures this morning. So back to the SPY. If you are a bull, what you want to see them open at 598.30. They can start doing that. Boom, you got 599.10. They got some turbulence right here at 599.50. They break through that. Next level up is 624. Turbulence to about 600.85, and then boom, you got 602.10. They got some turbulence in here. Next level up is going to be 602.85. Another run up to 604.10. Some turbulence again. They break through that turbulence at 604.30. Boom, you got 604.90, and you got a bunch of turbulence areas. So I anticipate this to be an interesting day tomorrow. I can't wait to get started. On the downside, you want to see them open lower than 596.60. If they can do that right there, next level down is going to be 595.90. Then you got 595.10, 594.30. They lose that one. Boom, you got 593.05 on deck. Next ticker up is going to be Nvidia. With Nvidia, they're sitting at 137.75. If you are a bull, you want to see them open somewhere in here, 138.10. They break through that right there. Got some turbulence to about 138.50. Then you got this heavy level at 138.90. They break through that one. Boom, they come into 139.90, another heavy level. They're going to probably try to pull this thing back before they take off again. You got 140.70 on deck. They break through that one. Boom, you got a nice little run up to 142. So there you go in that one right there. With Tesla, I covered Tesla in the previous video, so take a look at that one right there. But I am going to cover what I want to see if they are following the momentum and run of the new leadership. What I want to see, and this is a big number, what I want to see to let me know that they going to get busy tomorrow. See all this area where they just got stuck at, and I had this play in Discord. You guys that rock with me on Friday, you already knew. I called 439.10. They got a little bit higher than that right there. We're sitting at 439.15-ish. They got smacked in this area right in here. What I want to see the bulls go crazy. If they really intentional trying to knock this thing out of the ballpark, I want to see 439.25 get taken out. I want to see them open higher than that. If they can open higher than that, that leads me to believe, boom, you got 150 on deck. Next level up is going to be 158. Then you got 465. So we already know what damage Tesla can do on the upside when they got some volume and they got some excitement. So again, we have already seen all the excitement around the new leadership jumping in, and we already know the new leadership, the president, and all the things that he's trying to throw at Elon Musk. So I anticipate this one to be a rocky day tomorrow. A lot of volatility, so don't get faked. Have that stop loss set if you're thinking about getting into this play, but also to the downside, because every play has two different ways it can go. It can go up or it can go down. We got to be fast about it, and we got to know what we're doing. On the downside, what I want to see to let me know that, man, this may get ugly. You want to see this level. You want to see them play with 415.20. I wouldn't accept anything in here to the downside with puts, because 415, if you sniping and you know your levels, then yeah, go ahead and get that snipe and snipe that thing to the downside. But 415.20, as long as they above 415.20, the bulls can bounce this thing. They can knock this thing back all the way back to the top. So I'd be cautious right there. And then the next area, what you want to see is that 411.20. If they start closing candles under 411.20, Bears going to take over and they're going to start trying to push this thing back down. Got another area of interest at 408.40, and then boom, you got 490 on deck. They can really get busy once they start knocking out those levels. So we will see, and we will handle in real time if they start violating those sections. So, all right, I want to show some love because I know you guys are out there scalping these plays, and I see it, and I'm excited. Keep grinding. Shout out to Vinny, scalping at his finest. And if you look at his plays, he got 6 plays on here. You do that total. You round this thing up. He made $1,000 on one day. So good job. Keep doing you. Keep that stop loss in place. That way, if it goes against you, it kicks you out of that play and you're able to repivot, get back in, or sit tight, wait for a better situation. So I'm proud of you. Keep grinding. Champagne bottles in the air for you. And everybody else that's watching that's not in the Discord, make sure you tap into the Discord. That way you got access to my full morning list of call outs, as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. So guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper type, level to level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, HUT, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.